Hello, I am Maria Jose Chacon and welcome to FXCM. So today we are going to learn about bid and ask prices on various platforms that we offer. This is so important for understanding the prices at which you can buy or sell. In Trading Station 2, it's easy to see the both prices. You just need to go to the chart mode and enable the option to view both bid and ask prices. After that, you can see the buttons in this part. Now, on Trading Station web, you need to click Trading section and choose one of the markets. In this case, we are going to select Forex. There you can see the prices in the quote list. On the mobile version of Trading Station, you can easily switch between bid and ask on the charts. It's the same process that we did before. So select Trading, put whatever market, in this case commodities, and then you can look. In MT4 platform, you can see both prices, the bid and ask. So you have to select this button and then you can check the prices in the quote list. Now we are going to look TradingView. So in this case, by default, you can see both prices. Thanks for all. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to view both prices on the main FXCM trading platforms. Thank you. Bye-bye.